So today is the 21st of October 2021. We have Urheilukatu, Idrottsgatan 14 stage C. This is the last staircase to be filmed in this residential building. We have been to the stage as you can be here. And the capacity is three persons alternate boyfriends. Amazing. With 6 floors. 1969. But this original building is originally from 1938.
Yeah.
This was replaced in 1969. And the capacity is 3 persons out of playgrounds. It's going to be inspected the next year, 2022. The C number is H192176. Täällä Helsinki is Finland. And you can of course watch the Texas MP. We got them all three at the same time through the basement.
Yeah. Spektiivt paikkivaisuutta, maintained by Kone.
Here they don't have the tape on that alarm button, but instead they say they have it.
Yeah.
It's probably still working.
Mm.
Even though they changed it to connection.
Yeah.
The same mistake is B.
That's it.